Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up a WhatsApp meeting or group call, just like Google Meet. WhatsApp has introduced some exciting new group call features, so let's dive right into it. To get started, open WhatsApp and either swipe right or click on the Calls tab. At the top, you'll notice the Create a Call link option. Click on it, and you'll see a link generated for you. Now, you can choose the call type, whether it's a video call or an audio call. After making your selection, click on Send Link via WhatsApp. You can now select the contacts you want to invite from your list, or simply copy the link and send it via email for a more professional setup. Alternatively, you can click on the Share button and share the link on other supported platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Once you've shared the link, all you need to do is wait for others to join. People with your link will join, just as I'll demonstrate in the video. And there you have it. You can now have a group conversation or meeting on WhatsApp as easily as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates and features like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.